What if I told you that a mere trio of simple movements done every day could be the secret to keeping you strong, nimble, and free from aches as you get older? And the best part is, you won't need a gym, any fancy gear, or more than a few minutes of your time. Let's be honest. Our bodies whispered to us long before they shout. We're often told this is just part of getting older, but that's a story we need to stop believing. These aren't just random aches. They're signals. Signals that the foundational strength, balance, and confidence that let you live life on your terms are beginning to quietly fade. But here's the powerful truth, that decline is not a one-way street. You can rebuild. You can reclaim smooth, confident movement. The first of these three essential moves is so fundamental, it impacts your independence dozens of times a day. Your bed, a chair, the sofa. That motion is your functional foundation. It relies on your thighs, your seat muscles, and your core. Research from respected institutions shows that focused practice of this movement can improve leg power by over 25% and drastically reduce joint discomfort in a matter of weeks. The key is control, not speed. Here's your perfect form. Sit towards the front of a firm, stable chair, feet flat and planted a little behind your knees. Inhale deeply. Now, as you exhale, lean your chest forward. Slightly hinge at the hips and press firmly through your entire foot to rise. Stand up tall, then inhale as you lower back down with total control. The lowering phase is where magic happens for building strength. If that feels tough, use a taller seat or lightly touch your thighs. Start with 2 sets of 5 to 8 every other day. Strength isn't about speed. It's about controlled, purposeful motion. Common errors? It's rushing up, letting knees cave in, or holding your breath. This one will protect your shoulders and improve your posture. Exercise 2. The wall press. This is your upper-bodied guardian. Studies in clinical journals confirm that exercises like this directly improve posture, lessen shoulder pain, and make daily tasks from carrying groceries to reaching effortless.